For photo editing, Gemini alone is now more than enough. There was a time when Photoshop was the boss. If you wanted to edit photos at an expert level, Photoshop was a must. But now, you don't need Photoshop anymore. So, what's the alternative? With Gemini, you can now edit photos at a level that was often not even possible in expert level Photoshop. The most amazing part is, you can do all of this at a beginner level and still get professional results. Hello everyone, welcome to today's Gemini photo editing video. This is Saeed Ali, and I'll be guiding you through everything. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the main video. How easy photo editing is with Gemini. To edit photos using Gemini, you don't need anything special. No software, no skills, nothing. Just take a photo using your smartphone. Even a simple photo with a face is enough. Now write a prompt. A prompt simply means describing what kind of photo you want to create. Attach the photo, write the prompt, and give it to Gemini. You'll see that Gemini edits the photo beautifully for you. Number 1, face retouching and skin enhancement. This is a very important topic, something we used to struggle with a lot in photo editing. For example, removing facial spots or making the face look more attractive. Previously, this required a lot of time, attention, and effort. Now, just one click. I simply told Gemini, the person in the attached photo has spots on their face. Remove them and make the face look beautiful. Look closely at my photo. There were several spots on the face. Now, look at the result. The edit is so smooth and natural that honestly, doing this level of work manually in Photoshop is extremely difficult. Amazing, right? Number 2, skin tone adjustment. What I'm about to show you next will seriously surprise you. Here's a photo of a person with a darker skin tone. If you try to make this skin tone fair using Photoshop, you'll need a lot of tools, layers, and experience. And still, the result may not be perfect. But I simply told Gemini, the person in the attached photo has a dark skin tone. Make it fair. Just wait a few seconds. And look at the result. The skin tone looks so natural. It's unbelievable. Absolutely amazing. Creating a professional product poster. Here, I attached a photo of a watch. Then I told Gemini I want to sell this watch online. Create a professional promotional poster for me. Look at the result. The entire watch is presented beautifully. Text, layout, design, everything is done automatically. If you want to add your own text, you can. Otherwise, Gemini will handle everything on its own, restoring and colorizing old photos. Now, look at this photo. It's very old, blurry, damaged, and black and white. I told Gemini, this is an old photo. Please restore it, make it colorful, and increase the resolution. And look at the result. It's mind-blowing. The facial details are preserved perfectly, the image is colorized naturally, and the resolution is enhanced beautifully. Isn't that incredible? Changing seasons. Summer to winter, I gave Gemini a photo taken in summer and said, convert this photo into a winter scene. Add snowfall and make it look like winter. Anyone who works with Photoshop knows how difficult this task is. But Gemini kept everything intact, changed the environment, added snow, even added a winter jacket, and made it look completely natural. And it took only a few seconds. Removing unwanted objects from photos. To remove unwanted objects from photos, we usually run to different tools or apps. Some smartphones even advertise built-in object removers. But do you really need all that? I attached a photo where someone was standing in the background. I told Gemini, remove the person in the background. Now, look at the result. The main subject is perfectly intact, the background looks natural, and there's no way to tell anything was removed. No third-party tools needed. Just Gemini, merging two people and changing background. Here, I provided two separate photos of two different people. Then I said, merge these two people into one photo and change the background to USA Manhattan. Look how beautifully Gemini merged the two images and placed them naturally at USA Manhattan. Now tell me, do you really need Photoshop anymore? Creating passport-size photos. For passport-size photos, we usually run to photo studios. But when you have Gemini, why bother? I provided a normal photo, not taken in a passport-style pose. No studio lighting, no proper background. Gemini turned it into a studio-quality passport photo. Fixed the background, adjusted lighting, made the face look fresh and professional. All in just a few seconds. Celebrity selfies. Nowadays, we often see people taking selfies with celebrities. Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, even Tom Cruise. I simply wrote a prompt and attached a photo. Gemini generated a realistic selfie featuring these celebrities, and honestly, it looks incredibly real. You just need to attach the photo and write a prompt describing how you want the image to be edited. Simply give the instruction, and Gemini will edit the photo exactly according to that. Alright? So this is basically today's video. I hope you liked the video and that it was helpful for you. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.